Hi viewers, good morning. This is NJ. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, viewers, students, Assalamu alaikum, Marhaba, Sabah al Khair, Dajahao, Privet. Let's start commonly spoken phrases in English and its use of don't. Don't is used for negative sense. Let's see and start and read out these phrases. These are commonly used in general speaking. Let's start up here. First one is don't sneeze at her offer. Don't sneeze at her offer. Don't sneeze at her offer. उसकी पेशकश रद्द ना करो. Don't sneeze at her offer. Don't sneeze at her offer. उसकी पेशकश रद्द ना करो. यहाँ पे आप देखिए डोंट का इस्तेमाल है. This is a negative sense, but its meanings and its approach is positive. Its result and its outcome and its approach is positive. This is an advice. Don't sneeze at. Sneeze at is a phrasal verb. Sneeze at is a phrasal verb. Don't sneeze at her offer. उसकी पेशकश रद्द ना करो. Don't sneeze at her offer. A very beautiful phrase. Don't is a negation, negative sense, but sneeze at means रद्द ना करना. Don't sneeze at her offer. उसकी पेशकश रद्द ना करो. Don't sneeze at her offer. Don't sneeze at her offer. उसकी पेशकश रद्द ना करो. And in viewing the phrases in negative sense, but its impact is positive, very positive, and is advice. A very good, very useful phrase, commonly used in speaking. Don't sneeze at her offer. Don't sneeze at her offer. Let's see the next one. Next phrase देखते हैं. आइए अगला phrase देखिए. Don't play up for him. Don't play up for him. उसके लिए मुश्किल पैदा ना करो. Don't play up for him. This is also an advice. ये भी एक नसीहत है. Good opinion है. Good suggestion है. This is a good suggestion. Don't play up for him. Don't play up for him. उसके लिए मुश्किल पैदा ना करो. Don't is a negative sense, but the impact of this phrase is positive. Play up होता है to create a hustle. To create a hustle. Don't play up for him. उसके लिए मुश्किल पैदा ना करो. Don't play up for him. उसके लिए मुश्किल पैदा ना करो. Hey viewers, students, very interesting phrase again. Don't play up for him. Don't play up for him. उसके लिए मुश्किल पैदा ना करो. Don't create a hustle for him. Don't create a hustle for him. So here we see don't play up. Don't play up for him. उसके लिए मुश्किल पैदा ना करो. Don't create difficulties or problems for him. So very useful phrase and commonly used in speaking. This is also an advice and suggestion. Don't play up for him. Don't play up for him. उसके लिए मुश्किल पैदा ना करो. आइए next phrase देखते हैं. Don't hush up the truth. Don't hush up the truth. Don't hush up the truth. सच को मत छुपाओ. Don't hush up the truth. Don't hush up the truth. सच को मत छुपाओ. Don't hush up the truth. सच को मत छुपाओ. Again a moral advice. Again a moral suggestion. Don't is a negation, but hush up होता है छुपाना. Don't hush up the truth. सच्चाई को मत छुपाओ. And its impact is very positive, very impressive, and it's a moral advice. This is a moral advice. Don't hush up the truth. Don't hush up the truth. सच को मत छुपाओ. Don't hush up the truth. सच को मत छुपाओ. Let's view and read out the next phrase. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Next one is don't hold back the news. 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 खबर को मत रोको. Don't hold back the news. Don't mean मत, negative, and hold back to stop, to रोकना, to hold on. Don't hold back the news. Don't hold back the news. खबर को मत रोको. Very informative and interesting phrase. Don't hold up the news. खबर कैसी भी हो, news कैसी भी हो, उसे रोकना नहीं चाहिए. Hold up mean रोक लेना, to stop. So don't hold up the news. Don't hold up the news. The sense of phrase is negative, but its impact is very positive. Its impact is very positive. Don't hold up the news. Don't hold back the news. Don't hold back the news. Hold back means to रोक लेना, to stop, to keep in pending. Don't hold back the news. Don't hold back the news. खबर को मत रोको. आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज don't cry down the others. Don't cry down the others. Don't cry down the others. दूसरों पर तनकीद ना करो. Don't means negative. मत, not. Cry down. Cry down means criticize. Cry down means criticize. The others. Don't cry down the others. दूसरों पर तनकीद ना करो. Here we see a moral advice and a moral sense in this phrase. We find the moral sense and moral advice in this phrase. इखलाकी इसमें जो है एक लेसन है, इखलाकी एक राह है, इखलाकी ओपिनियन है. Don't cry down the others. Don't cry down the others. दूसरों पर तनकीद ना करो. Don't cry down the others. Don't cry down the others. दूसरों पर तनकीद ना करो. Don't cry down the others. The sense of phrase is in negation, in negative sense, but its impact is very positive. It's a moral advice. Don't cry down the others. Don't cry down the others. Don't cry down the others. Cry down means to criticize. To criticize. Don't cry down the others. दूसरों पर तनकीद मत करो. Very useful and commonly used English phrase. Don't cry down the others. Don't cry down the others. दूसरों पर तनकीद मत करो. Let's view the next phrase. आइए अगला जुमला देखते हैं. Next sentence is don't mess him about. Don't mess him about. Don't mess him about. उससे बुरा सलूक ना करो. Don't mess him about. Don't mess him about. उससे बुरा सलूक ना करो. Here we also see a moral advice. Don't mess him about. Mess about होता है treat badly, treat illicit, treat badly. So don't mess him about. Don't mess him about. Don't mess me about. मेरे साथ बुरा सलूक ना करो. Don't mess me about. Don't mess him about. उसके साथ बुरा सलूक ना करो. Here we also find a moral advice and moral suggestion. Don't mess him about. Don't mess him about. उससे बुरा सलूक ना करो. आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं, अगला सेंटेंस देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज don't snap at the baby. Don't snap at the baby. Don't snap at the baby. बेबी पर मत गरजो. Don't snap at the baby. Don't snap at the baby. नन्ही बच्ची पर मत गरजो. Don't snap at the baby. नन्ही बच्ची पर मत गरजो. Don't snap at the baby. Don't snap at the baby. नन्ही बच्ची पर मत गरजो. नन्ही बच्ची पर मत बरसो. Don't snap at the baby. Don't snap at the baby. This is also an advice. Don't snap at the baby. नन्ही बच्ची पर मत गरजो. नन्ही बच्ची पर मत बरसो. Don't snap at the baby. Don't snap at the baby. नन्ही बच्ची पर मत गरजो. Don't shout at the baby. Don't shout at the baby. Snap at means shout at. Don't shout at the baby. Don't snap at the baby. Don't snap at the baby. नन्ही बच्ची पर मत गरजो. इंतहाई very useful phrases. Let's repeat them again. आइए इन्हें एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. First one is don't sneeze at her offer. Don't sneeze at her offer. Don't sneeze at her offer. उसकी पेशकश रद्द न करो. Don't sneeze at her offer. Don't sneeze at her offer. उसकी पेशकश रद्द न करो. Next is don't play up for him. Don't play up for him. Don't play up for him. उसके लिए मुश्किल पैदा ना करो. Don't play up for him. Don't play up for him. उसके लिए मुश्किल पैदा ना करो. Don't play up for him. उसके लिए मुश्किल पैदा ना करो. And next is don't hush up the truth. Don't hush up the truth. Don't hush up the truth. सच को मत छुपाओ. Don't hush up the truth. Don't hush up the truth. सच को मत छुपाओ. Don't hush up the truth. Don't hush up the truth. Don't hush up the truth. सच को मत छुपाओ. And next is don't hold back the news. Don't hold back the news. Don't hold back the news. खबर को मत रोको. Don't hold back the news. Don't hold back the news. Don't hold back the news. खबर को मत रोको. And next is don't cry down the others. Don't cry down the others. Don't cry down the others. दूसरों पर तनकीद ना करो. Don't cry down the others. Don't cry down the others. दूसरों पर तनकीद ना करो. And next is don't mess him about. Don't mess me about. Don't mess him about. उससे बुरा सलूक ना करो. Don't mess him about. Don't mess him about. उससे बुरा सलूक ना करो. And next one is don't snap at the baby. Don't snap at the baby. Baby पर मत बस दो. Don't snap at the baby. Don't snap at the baby. Baby पर मत गरजो. Hey you guys, very interesting phrases. These are commonly used in general speaking. See you again. Subscribe my channel. I wish you all the best. Keep on watching. See you next. Goodbye.